How to transfer money from PayPal account to Chime account. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how you can easily transfer your money from PayPal to Chime. So let's just jump right in. The very first thing you're going to have to do is go to paypal.com and simply log into your account. You'll find the login button at the top right corner. Then simply enter your login credentials and then tap on the login option. If all of your credentials are correct, you should be logged into your account. Now, once you are logged in, click on Proceed to Account Overview and click on it. Now, the next step is you'll land on your account page, and right under your PayPal balance, you should be able to see the option called Transfer Money. Tap on Transfer Money. Now, click on Transfer from Bank and choose that option. Then you're going to have to select which kind of bank you want or what kind of transaction you want to do. Select the amount and then select the option in 1 to 3 days with no fee and then transfer the amount. After that, you're going to have to choose which bank you want to transfer it to. So if you don't see Chime Bank already linked, click on Link a Bank and tap on the plus icon. Then you're going to have to search for Chime here and select the bank. Now, once you've done that, you can verify your bank by two methods. You can either enter your login credentials and or you could just make a transaction. I'm just going to enter the login credentials here and then tap on Agree and Link. Once you have done that, you are going to have to choose which account is eligible and then tap on Next. Now, for a quick security check, you can just enter your OTP code that you've received on your phone. Now click on Link Account and then tap on Done. Once you have done that, you're going to have to select the bank that you have just linked. That is the Bank Corp, which Chime falls under. So select that bank. Now, once you have done that, you can select the bank and then tap on Transfer. And the balance has successfully been transferred. PayPal will ask you to invite friends, but you can choose Not Now. And as you can see under recent activity, the balance has been transferred to the Bancorp Bank, which is also the Chime's bank. So that's how you basically transfer your amount from PayPal to Chime. If you found this helpful, be sure to like the video down below and subscribe. I'll catch you on the next one.